Now today I'm going to share with you another recipe which is a pure vegetarian recipe, and this is the jackfruit. You can call it a raw jackfruit, which is also called as Kathal kofta curry. So this is a raw jackfruit or the Kathal kofta curry. So let's check out how to prepare this kofta curry. So the main ingredient that we need here is the jackfruit, the raw jackfruit. I've cut into pieces and I've boiled them in a pressure cooker. Just 1 or 2 whistles will be enough, and I put little turmeric powder and salt, that's haldi and namak. Now we are going to mash this boiled raw jackfruit properly. You can mash with your hands or you can just blend in your blender. Here I am mashing them properly with my hands. Now to this I'll be adding around 3 to 4 tablespoons of besan, that's a gram flour, little turmeric, salt, red chili powder, little garam masala powder, and I'll mix all the ingredients well. Now to this mixture I'll be adding around 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, that's the adrak and rasan ka paste, and then again mix all these ingredients well. Now this mixture is perfectly ready to prepare the koftas. Now in a pan I've taken some oil, and then I'll be deep frying these jackfruit koftas, that's a Kathal koftas. Fry in medium flame so that everything is cooked properly, and once they turn golden brown, nice crisp and brown, then take them out in a bowl. Now it's time to prepare the curry, and for that I have taken a little bit of oil, and to this I have added some cumin seeds, that's the jeera. Then to this I'll be adding 2 bay leaves, that's the tej patta, and some cinnamon sticks, that's dalchini. And then I'll be adding around half tablespoons of hing. Now next here I'm adding a tablespoon of haldi, that's the turmeric powder. Now to this I'll be adding a paste, and which is made up of onion, ginger and garlic. I've taken 1 large onion, some cloves of garlic and some pieces of ginger, blended them in my blender, and here I'm adding that masala. Now fry this masala for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then to this I'm adding tomato puree. Here I've taken 2 large tomatoes and made puree out of it in my blender. And then I'm mixing all the masala well. Fry them for 3 to 4 minutes. Till the oil starts separating. Then here I'm adding some red chili powder. Here I've added Kashmiri red chili powder for the color, some dhania powder. Mix them all properly with the masala. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add little bit of water if you need. Then I've added a tablespoon of garam masala powder, then finally I've added some curd. I've blended the curd in my blender and added the curd. Lower the flame while you are adding the curd and then mix everything well. Now once it starts boiling, add a little bit of water, mix the masala properly and then cover the pan and leave it on low flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. Add salt as per taste and a little bit of sugar. Now cover the pan and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. After that, open the cover and add the koftas, the fried koftas in the curry. Mix the koftas, let it boil and then again cover the pan and cook for another 5 minutes till the gravy starts thickening. Now after 5 minutes, you can see the gravy is already thickened a bit and it's almost done. And now I'm adding some chopped fresh coriander leaves, and that's it. My raw jackfruit or the Kathal kofta curry is ready to be served. You can serve it with rice, roti or paratha. So I hope you have liked this recipe and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I'll see you soon in my next. Till then, take care. Bye bye.